Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be trying out the reversed cat's eye look. It's currently trending now, and I think the makeup artist that started this trend is called Makeup by Spencer, and why not, I joined. So guys, if this is your first time seeing me here, you are welcome. Please do consider subscribing, show your girl some love guys. It's free. Join the family, click on that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you don't miss any video of mine whenever I post. Also, if you're an existing subscriber already, welcome back. Thank you all so much for joining me in today's video. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. First, I'm going to be moisturizing my face, and I'm using this ultra moist facial moisturizer from Royale Makeup. Next, I'll be priming my face using this HYDRA Bright primer from Revolution Pro. So for my foundation, I'm going to be using this Juvia's Play Stick foundation in shade GUINEA. I'm just going to be spreading that all over my face and blending it all out using my beauty blender from Cosmic Brushes. So guys, always take your time while blending, because blending is always the key, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm taking my time and blending out the foundation all over my face. To highlight my face, I'll be using this concealer here from ZKL Cosmetics in shade Creamy Ivory. So I'm just going to put it down under my eyes, then my chin, my forehead and my nose bridge, and after that I'll be blending that all out. So I'm just going to be using a brush to gently blend everything all out. So I'm also going in with a beauty blender just to get some more blending and also to take off any excess product on my face. So for my contour, I'll be using the Juvia's Play Stick foundation in shade KATSINA. As you can see, it's a dark shade. So I'm just going to be putting that on my cheekbones, the perimeter of my face, and also by the side of my nose bridge. So I'm just going to be using a brush to gently blend everything all out. So I'm just going in with my beauty blender to blend everything all out, just to make sure everything is well blended out. So for setting, I'll be using this Spoon translucent loose face powder. So I'm just going to be setting the highlighted areas out. And to set the contoured areas out, I'll be using the sculpting bronzer in shade ENROBE from Revolution Pro. So for my blush, I'll be using this 2-in-1 matte blush in shade Inspiring from iHeart Revolution. So I'll be using this compact powder in shade Sand from Fuera Makeup to just set my whole face. So I'm using a concealer to prime my eyes, and I'm just blending it all out. So I'm using the Dream eyeshadow palette from Sigma X Beauty Bed, and I'm using the shade Caramelito, applying that all over my lid and blending it all out. So basically you can just use any neutral or brown eyeshadow you have in doing that. I'm using this black gel liner here from Zaron Cosmetics in shade Jazz. So I'm using a brush to just smudge it all over my entire waterline and also the lower lash line. So now I'm using a smudged brush to smudge around the eyeliner. So I'm just going to be using the same smudge brush to pull out the liner as if I was drawing a wing. And if you need more product, you can just add a little more black. And then you do the same thing on the inner corner. So I'm going in with this black shade here in Fearless, and I'm smudging it in on the gel liner to keep it really smoky black. So I'm going in with the previous shade in Caramelito on a medium shading brush just to blend out any harsh line. I feel like going in with more black on the lash line just to make it a little bit deeper. So I'm using this black kohl eyeliner pencil from Makeup Obsession to line my waterline and also lining along my top lash line. And I'm using this Volumizing mascara in shade Black from Revolution Pro. For my lashes, I'll be using this Wink lashes from the Alter Ego collection. So I did cut a little from the lash just to make it half. And guys, that is pretty much it for the eyeliner. To set my makeup, I'll be using this Reale Stay On Fleek Matte Setting Spray. And for my highlighter, I'll be using this MUA Cosmetics Highlight Kit in Golden Kisses. And for my lips, I'll first be lining the lips using this Beauty Line by Didi lip liner in shade Maroon. And next I'll be applying this Revolution Pro New Neutral Satin Matte Lipstick in shade Reveal. And I'll be topping it up with this Plumping Lip Gloss here from Makeup Obsession. So I'm just applying some mascara to my lower lashes. So I'm just giving the face some final touch, setting everything all up with my compact powder. Guys, this look is really easy, simple, and honestly it's really quick. It's just pretty and also sultry. So guys, this is the finished and completed look, and I must say I really love how it came out. So if you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment of your thoughts down below the comment section. Let me know if you'll be trying this out. Also let me know if you've tried it out already. Let me know what you think about the trend, and let me know what you think about my full face look. And thank you all for watching, guys. You know I love you all. So if you're yet to subscribe, do that. Show your girl some love, guys. Click on that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you don't miss any video of mine whenever I post. Join the family, it's free. Do stay safe, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye.